Hey guys, welcome to Car Question. Matt, the Subaru Forester Hybrid was already existing in Japan. You saw that in 2019 when you went to Japan. What do you think about that vehicle in 2025?
Well, welcome to North America. Finally, an e-hybrid in the Forester. It's really interesting to see that it's going to give you a little bit more horsepower. This technology for this time is not shared with any other manufacturer. Still, it remains a 2.5 liter under the hood. It's going to give you a little bump in acceleration, but the main focus is on fuel efficiency, and that's exactly where it shines.
And what are those numbers of fuel economy?
Well, you're going to see them in the screen right now. And usually when a manufacturer writes some numbers on paper, you cannot achieve them easily. But with Subaru, we did even better than what's on paper. So I was quite surprised. But you got to remain truthful though. On the highway, it's going to be pretty much the same thing as a regular ICE version. But as soon as you get in the city often, that's where you're going to see an amazing fuel economy.
And do you compromise on all-wheel drive system, on off-road and everything, considering Subaru's reputation?
That's an excellent question because a lot of manufacturers will put an electric engine on this rear axle and it's just going to give you a little oomph of all-wheel drive power, and it's going to give up as soon as you're going to roll fast. But with Subaru, everything is just ahead of that all-wheel drive system, and they keep an amazing efficiency of that all-wheel drive system. But you're going to have to be careful though. If you're going to be just rolling up a hill of sand, if you stop there and if you press on the accelerator, that CVT won't give you any chance to go up higher, and it will smell some things too.
Thank you, driver assist systems.
Yes.
And now, Matt, pros and cons.
Well, that sound of that engine is not really impressive. Sometimes I wonder if there's not a turbo under it, but I don't feel the horsepower because of the weight of the vehicle. There's no one pedal driving, and there's no way that you could use those little paddle on the steering wheel over here to give you more regenerative braking. You need to press on the brake. And also that price is kind of amazing, $60,000 Canadian. You can only get the hybrid with the most equipped Forester. Usually I would have hoped that you can get this option with the base and save some money. And how about that slow multimedia system? Even worse when you're going to use that Apple feature when you can see on the cluster your map. It's slow, man. It's not amazing. But on the plus side, the fuel efficiency is right on target. The sound of the cabin is really low. They improve it from a regular ICE version, and it really shows. It's comfortable, and you have an amazing sound system inside despite that slow multimedia system. And keep in mind that if you need it, X mode is accessible. So yeah, that's a pretty awesome hybrid vehicle though.
So there we go with the Subaru Forester Hybrid. Share, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.
Bye-bye.